Hey guys, quick video for you if you have the Danby air conditioner. So there are two ways how you can completely reset it. The first way is that you need to locate the press and hold reset button located inside the unit behind the lock for 30 seconds. So this is where you're going to locate it. Now the second thing about it, how you can do it, is just like plug it out the circuit, right? So plug it out of the outlet, and if that doesn't work out, you just want to completely turn off the circuit breaker for about, I don't know, like maybe 5-10 minutes, and then plug it back in, and that should probably it would work. So I just want to make this quick video for you. Hope it helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.